Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best motion sensor sprinkler that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Orbit 62120 Garden Enforcer Motion Activated Sprinkler. This is a unique motion sensor sprinkler that works correctly both in the dark and in the light. Invariably, it means you can be sure your sprinkler is at the peak of its job even late into the night. Literally, this will ensure there won't be any surprises. This sprinkler has a 120 degrees motion sensor to ensure that except they are ghosts, no intruder breaks the trap. You have all your parameters well secured, no matter where your intruder is headed in your compound or coming from at any time. The powerful infrared sensor can detect intruders from up to 40 feet away and has a wide viewing angle of 120 degrees, that's 1,600 square feet of protective coverage from a single unit. Moving on at number 4, we have Orbit Enforcer Motion Activated Pest Deterrent Sprinkler. Here is our 8th top motion sensor sprinkler for the year. The sensor works around 120 degrees, correctly picking any form of motion around your compound or garden. The sprinkler has an infrared motion finder that further increases the precision of locating movement around. It's practically impossible for any movement not to be spotted by this sprinkler. Another unique value of this sensor sprinkler is that it can also function as a water sprinkler. This is so because it will last for 30 minutes sprinkling water after detecting motion. Except you turn it off by yourself, your extra chore is as good as done. At number 3, we have COSTWAY Scarecrow Motion Activated Animal Repellent. If you are tired of rodents and similar wild animals around your garden, this is your best animal repellents. It is a very effective repellent to keep pets from invading your garden and leaving your garden in ruin. Scarecrow's motion activated repellent is a heat and a motion activated sensor that is entirely harmless, safe and efficient. You have the water sprinkled to keep the animals away and ensure your garden remains at its best always. Apart from the spray, there is a movement and sounds that combine to ensure no stubborn animal refuse to leave. Other unique features include lens designed to detect smaller animals, water conservation, and leak-proof valve. At number 2, we have Havahart 5270 Spray Away Motion Activated Sprinkler. This motion sensor sprinkler, Havahart 5270 Spray Away Motion Activated Sprinkler, is rated the first sprinkler you should have. A compact, leak-proof and efficient motion activated sprinkler that goes to work with so much ease and precision. It leaves you with little or nothing to do while producing excellent results. It's infrared-enabled, ensure it searches out animals and pests through movement and heat. With this fantastic repellent, you have up to 1,900 square feet of your garden well covered. You can select single or multiple targets across high, medium, low and off, ensuring you have all targets healed. Another unique feature is a warning LED that alerts you for battery and intruders when necessary. And finally at number 1. Havahart 5277 Motion Activated Animal Repellent and Sprinkler. To ensure you get exactly the protection you want, this device has 4 settings on the sensitivity dial, ranging from least to most sensitive. In addition, the sprinkler head features a distance dial so you can adjust the range of the spray, up to 100 feet. Use these dials to determine how far and what size critters you want your device to see. An infrared sensor seeks animal heat and movement day and night. Every time it detects a passing animal, the device releases a startling surge of water for approximately 5 seconds to scare the invader away. This trains potentially destructive critters to avoid your property, keeping your gardens, ponds and home safe.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.